Welcome to More Simple, Less Stupid, where we talk about money, sometimes investments, or I just show you some cool stuff. How's it going? Today, we are going to be talking about the Kodak Printomatic. See there? Kodak Printomatic. Front, back. My special woman decided to get me this for Valentine's Day. Or was it my birthday? I can't remember. Actually, she got me this for Christmas. It's February, and I'm just now starting to put it to good use. And when I actually did my research and due diligence on how this thing actually worked, I thought it was pretty freaking awesome, so I thought I would share this with you guys. So what the Kodak Printomatic does is that it takes pretty awesome digital and paper
Polaroid
pictures. You can put an SD card in it, and you just snap, take a picture, and it'll save it on the SD card that goes in right here. Or if you put paper in it, it'll print it out from the side. I can demonstrate this for you. Also, fun fact, the paper that goes into the camera is actually fingerprint proof, and it's also waterproof. So it lasts for a pretty long time. In the manual, it actually said the pictures last for a lifetime, so they stay in pretty good condition as the years progress, if that makes sense. You gotta hold the button. You hold the button at the top, it makes that bleep boop noise, and boom. It's that simple. Took a picture. It takes a while.
Oh man, that's cool.
And there you go. The camera on my phone isn't that good quality, so let me snap a photo for you. But yeah, fun fact, if you have an SD card and if you have the paper in at the exact same time, when you take a picture, it'll actually save it on the SD card and it'll print it out at the same time. I thought that was really cool. It can take pictures full of color, and it can take pictures of black and white. And you don't have to fill it up, refill it with ink or anything. Like, as long as you just buy new photos, new paper to put into it, it's unlimited. The ink comes somehow the ink comes with the paper, so that's pretty cool. And one more thing about these photos, my girl thought it would well, my future wife thought it would be a good idea to have a book for our adventures. So these aren't just normal photos. You can actually peel them. They're razor thin though. You peel them and stick them wherever you want to stick them. I'm not gonna put it in a book because this is a memory book for me and her whenever we go on trips. So yeah, if you're looking for any good gift ideas, here you go. I don't know if you would call this a scrapbook, but more of a memory book for your pictures. So you can just take a picture with the Kodak Printomatic and just stick it right on up in there. There you go. Years from now, you can open up this little book and you can look back and look at all of the Polaroid pictures you took together. And if you want to turn it off, just hold it and it turns off. I don't think it gets any more simple than that. If it does get more simple than that, I put a digital user manual down in the description below. I'll make sure it's one of the first links you see. You can buy a little box, a box pack of 50, and each pack comes with 10 each in them. And I think you can stuff at least up to 40 or 50 photos in the Printomatic, so that's pretty handy. That lasts a good while. And to make things a little bit easier, I put links down in the description below. So if you guys want to check it out, if you want to look up more information, if you want to buy it or check out any alternative options there might be, I got some links available for you guys down in the description below. Because I know how it is when you're searching for something specific and it kind of gives you all these different recommendations. instead of giving you exactly what you asked for, like what I talked about in the video. So I just thought I'd make it easier for you guys. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like the video. And if you want to stick around for more stuff, whatever else, you know, comes to mind or something I might want to share, make sure you hit the sub button. Appreciate you guys. I hope you have a good one. Love you.